gonna be fun.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be great.
Get it out there. Nice winds running down the runway, so that's what you want. All right, we'll set it up and set my timer real quick. We're gonna put 3 minutes on the clock. Probably be safe that way.
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
We ready.
All right, without further ado, let's get it done. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You zoomed in on that bad boy?
I zoomed in.
Nice. All right, here we go. You ready to roll? Oh, wow, that's smooth. Okay. Gear coming up. Backing out of the power.